this is N.P. Chand. Welcome to my mathematics class. Today I have taken very different question, very interesting and challenging and trending question. I have taken this question from YouTube. Today I will tell you how to solve this question in easy way. In easy way, I will tell you in details. You will feel just like your teacher's classroom, your favorite mathematics teacher's classroom. Okay. Today's topic is most of the computers couldn't solve this question. The most of the computer application which are made for mathematics to solve the problems of mathematics couldn't solve the all possible solutions of this question. See, what is the question? But you can solve it. You can. If you have a simple, if you have an idea of a law of indices, uh, you have studied in secondary classes or lower secondary classes, you can do it. If you have idea of laws of indices, then you will not have any problem. So question is this one: x square minus 7x plus 11 whole raised to power x square minus 13x plus 42 is equal to 1. If you are interesting, if you can take this question as a challenge, and if you think, okay, yes, I can crack down, I will try whatever time I may take, no problem, but I will solve it. If you think this way, if you have a mathematical spirit, then pause the video and try to solve, until you get the solution. Most welcome. Try mathematics. And once Einstein said, I'm not genius, but what things make me genius? So that is okay, because I stay with the problem for longer time. I stay with the problem for longer time. That's why I get the solution of the problem. So you can follow the Einstein word. You can stay with the problem for longer time. Definitely you are going to get the solution of this question. Okay. If you don't want to take challenge, then please see here, and let's see how do we solve this question. So interesting question. When I saw this question, I found it also challenging, and I got excited with this question. I thought, okay, my students, my friends, okay, should know about this question also, and also the solution of this question. But I'm going to tell in an easy way, or in a very simple way, so that you could so that you can understand each and every line of this question. Okay, so very interesting question. This is the beauty of mathematics. Okay, see here, first of all we have to know the simple laws of indices. And in this question, if you see the right hand side, on the right hand side we have a 1. So in how many conditions you can get 1? Very simple thing. Only this thing you have to keep in your brain, okay? How many conditions we can get on the right hand side? 1. What should be done on the left side to get 1 on the right hand side? Okay. See here. Let me tell you. We have number 1. 3 conditions are there. Number 1. A raised to power 0 is equal to 1, and A is not equal to 0. Is any real number except 0 is not 0, then A raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So okay, using this condition also we can find out some solutions of this question, because A raised to power 0 is equal to 1. If here this is the base and this is the exponent, and if exponent becomes equal to 0, then we can get 1. Okay, this is the first condition. And second condition, if 1 raised to power A is equal to also 1, is any real number here? Is any real number? It doesn't matter whether it is integer or fraction, okay, or negative integer or positive integer, no problem. But 1 raised to power A is equal to 1. So another one, if base is equal to 1, even then we can get on the right hand side 1. Second condition. From here also we can get solution. Okay. And third one, Third one. Okay, minus 1 raised to power 2m is equal to also 1 where uh, m is an integer. Okay, where m is an integer. Let me explain bit here. If you have a minus 1 raised to power 2, you will get 1. Okay. If you have a suppose, okay, m is any integer, it doesn't matter, okay, whether it is positive or negative integer or 0 integer, okay, no problem. And here minus 1 is 2, minus 2. With minus 2, you might have a problem. So here, okay, and we can write 1 upon minus 1 raised to power 2, as you have studied already in lower classes. Okay, if you are even in 6 or 7 class, you can understand, because at that class most of the students study laws of indices. Here this equal 1 upon here minus 1 raised to power 2 is equal to 1, and finally you get 1. These are the three conditions in which we get on the right hand side 1. Okay, so now see, by using these three conditions we will find out the solution of this question. I think all you understood how to find out the solution. Now it's easy for you also. Okay, now I'll take, okay, conditions, all three conditions, and try to find out the solutions. Number one, okay, case first. So let me start from here. Here. Now case first. So see, we have, if a raised to power 0 is equal to 1, if a is not equal to 0. Here, okay, exponent, okay, this is not equal to 0. Let's suppose, and this one must be equal to 0. Then only we can get, okay, 1. So this means, okay, according to the case first, if x square minus 13x plus 42 is equal to 0, right? Then x square minus 7x plus 11 raised to power x square minus 30x plus 42. So 42 becomes, okay, 1. Alright. If this equal to 0, then this becomes 1, because, okay, this equal to 0, right? And you can write down, okay, e is equal to x square minus 7x plus 11. If we suppose this also equal to 1. Yes, on the right hand side 1. Now we have to find out the 1. If this condition, so now we can solve, okay. X square minus 13x plus 42 is equal to 0. Okay, and which implies x square, you can factorize 7 6 or 42 minus 7x minus 6x plus 42 is equal to 0. Implies x common, x minus 7 minus 6 common, your x minus 7 is equal to 0. Implies x minus 6 and x minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so here, and therefore you can get here x is either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0, means x is equal to 6 and 7 from here you can get, right? So two solutions we got, okay. If your power is equal to 0, first case, okay, we have used, right? First case. So here I'm writing, okay, solution. 1, okay, 6 and 7 we got, okay, 6 and 7. Here 6 and 7, but this is not also solution, because, okay, only value of x, if we use, okay, 6 and 7, only these values cannot provide you 1. So many more can provide you 1. So let's see. First case, okay, this time we have used. Now I think you understood here. Now I am to erasing this one. Okay, first case. Now second case. Case second. Case second. If your x square minus 7x plus 11 is equal to 1, then x square minus 7x plus 11 raised to power x square minus 13x plus 42 is equal to 1 raised to power x square minus 7x is here 13x plus 42 gives you also 1. This means okay, from here also we can find out the values of x. Now we can do x square minus 7x plus 11 is equal to 1, implies x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0, or implies your x square minus 2x minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, implies x common x minus 2, and your minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, and you can get here x minus 2 x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore you can get here, therefore here I'm writing, okay, therefore you can get, okay, like we write down first we got 6 and 7, later we can write down to the answers. After this I'm writing here x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 2 comma 5. From here x is equal to 2 comma 5. So okay, if you use okay x value of x is equal to 2, even then you will get okay, right, this 2 will satisfy this equation, 5 also satisfy this equation. All right, so using second condition, now let's use the third condition. Okay, so now I think clear, and 2 and 5 we got. So 2 and 5, two more solutions we got. Now let's see the last condition we need to use, right, to find out the full solution of this question. Okay, the case 3, if x square minus 7x plus 11 is equal to minus 1, okay, x square minus 7 x plus 1 is equal to 1, okay, 11. Okay, if x square minus 7x plus 11 is equal to minus 1, and okay, minus 1, then x minus 1 raised to power x square minus 13x plus 42, okay, 42 is equal to, you can get a 1, if x square minus 13x plus 42 is equal to 2m, where m is an integer, if 2m, and if m is an integer. Okay, even then okay, if minus 1, if this one is basis minus 1, then minus 1 raised to power this is equal to 1 we will get. All right, so here okay, if this one, this must be equal to 2m, where m is an integer, where m is an integer. Okay, so so we have minus, okay, x square minus 7x. Using this condition also we can find value of x. 7x plus 11 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so implies x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0, or here x minus 4 3 is 12, 4x minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, or you can see here, you can take common x square, x minus 4 minus 3 x minus 4 is equal to 0, is equal to, you will get x minus 3, and here x minus 4 is equal to 0. So after this I am writing here x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 3 comma 4. So finally how many solutions we got? So for this, finally we got, okay, 3 comma 4. This is also solution. So solution of this, how many solutions we got, okay? Finally, okay, and so x is equal to, therefore, for this 2 comma 3, okay, comma 2 3, let's write down 4 and 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, these are the solution of this question. 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the complete solution of this question. Okay, so you can do very easily. It's very easy, just you have to use this condition. Okay, let me recap once again. Okay, all you know these conditions. If a raised to power 0 is equal to 1, okay, 1. A raised to power 0 is equal to 1. A 1 raised to power is also 1. And minus 1 raised to power 2m is equal to also 1. Okay, where m is an integer. Okay, now see, okay, first time you have to make, okay, this equal to 0. You can get, okay, values of x. Okay, because if this becomes equal to 0, then you will get 1. Alright, there is no problem. And second time, okay, you have to make, okay, this equal to 1, because if this equal to 1, also 1 raised to power something is equal to 1. From here also you can get okay, values of x, right? And finally you have to suppose, okay, this one minus 1, because minus 1 raised to power 2m is also 1, okay, where m is an integer. Okay, m is an integer, that also gives a 1. Okay. So this will also provide you solutions. This will also provide you the values of x. So finally we will have, okay, 6 values of x. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the complete solution of this question. Alright, now you understood how to find out the solution of this question. This is a complete solution, and most of the computers couldn't, computers means, okay, computer applications couldn't solve this question. Now you can, after, okay, watching this video, you are able to solve, you are cracked down the solution of this question. Okay, it's very easy. Now only 3 conditions you have to use. I think here is also no problem, here also no problem. I think you might have a problem whether this may be equal to 2m, means 2 times of an integer. You can check solution. We got, okay, x is equal to 3 and 4 in this case. Alright, in this case, okay, here, so definitely it's gonna be equal to minus 1 in both cases, because we have made already is equal to minus 1. So minus 1, whether, okay, here we get, okay, this exponent becomes or not 2m, means 2 times of an integer, you can get or not. You just check, okay, with 3. If you use, okay, 3 and 3 square 9 minus 13 3s are 39 plus 42 is equal to minus 1, and here minus 30 plus 42 minus 1 raised to power 2 4 1 12. Yes, 12 is 12, m is equal to 2m. M is an your integer. Okay, so minus 1 raised to power 12 is equal to 1. So it's true. X is equal to 3, also true in this case, right? When we take this one, we get, okay, x is equal to 3 and 4. Similarly, you can check, okay, 4 also, right? You can check, okay, all 3 values, right? So we got, okay, 6 values of x. This is a complete solution, right? Okay, now I think you will enjoy. And by doing these questions, by watching this video, so what a fantastic question, what a delicious question, you can say this one for mathematics. This is really, okay, delicious question. Okay, what a challenging question. A true mathematician like the challenging question. You are also, I hope, okay, true mathematicians. So for this, we don't need, okay, so much highly knowledge of mathematics, higher level of knowledge of mathematics. So if you have a basic knowledge of mathematics, even then you can understand, and even then you can try to crack down this question. Okay, I hope you will enjoy by watching this video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.